Hi friends, I'm going on a little trip. I'm really excited. Me and Chelsea tomorrow morning, we're waking up at 6 AM. We're going to get in the car and drive to Dorrigo. And we're going to have a cute little day trip, and then we're going to go camping in the car. You want to see that, which you definitely will want to see that because it's going to be so good. Make sure you keep watching. We struggle with school, as does everyone in the HSC. And I think it's important to plan little trips like this to get away from it all and just like take a step back and realise that it's okay and that there are things in life to look forward to. If you're going through anything right now, please take this video as inspiration or motivation to plan your own little trip. Get some friends together or go by yourself, even just for a couple of hours, go somewhere and get outside. It is now Friday afternoon and we're leaving in the morning. I'm about to pack the car, pack my stuff, get ready, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning.
Pretty girl writing love songs, but they're never for you.
Morning! Ready?
What so many jumpers?
It is 6:40. I told Chelsea we're coming at 6 and I have some very aggressive messages from Chelsea that I will insert here.
Here, we have a wild Alexis. Oh, why is it blurry? Oopsie, let me fix it. Oh, there we go. Walking herself to the bathroom, empty out her bladder. She's currently going to the men's toilet because she is a male species.
We just stopped in the Maxville. Okay, so we just got lost and went down all these weird roads, but the moral of the story is we found a rainbow.
We're still lost though!
But we found a rainbow!
It's in your hands.
We have made it to Dorrigo and we are on our way.
But my heart is taking over.
We made it to Dorrigo. We use that Dorrigo right now. It's gonna do
You could be so
walking,
cold.
find some things.
You could be so cold. And I still hear your voice.
Let's just do a road trip.
We should have given it to
You change your mind and it's solo.
We can't put some footage.
But I don't know. You could
Bush turkey.
place, honey, right place, honey. Shots fired and we all came running, all came running, all came running. So put me back in the right place, honey, right place, honey, right place, honey.
I'm David Attenbrother, and today we're going into the wild. Oh shit, over there, it's a gorilla. Blows nose with stinging leaves. My name's Alexis Byrne and I'm a vlogger and I'm here in Dorrigo National Park vlogging. Dorrigo National Park, yes that's right, I'm vlogging. Bush turkey. If you haven't watched any of Lexi's videos before, my name's Chelsea and I'm the star of all her videos. Chelsea's wasting all my battery.
It's on 100%. We don't have any
have
wastage.
we could be back by now to the car and I'm hungry for lunch. We need to go. You put booker on it. It's on me too. Me and Chelsea are hungry and ready to eat, but we are right here and we gotta get back here. But on the plus side, there's a waterfall right here.
An hour and 15 minutes.
Like the rhythm of sound.
We are camping in the car right now. It is nighttime and yeah, that's where we're at. Lanky and Stanky go camping. Look at us. Oh my god. We really underestimated how we were going to fit in here right now.
I'm in.
So we're trying to rearrange and we got a bit of an issue. Good morning everybody. It is the morning time and last night we slept in here and it was really beautiful. Now we are gonna clean up, have a shower and get some breakfast. We struggled to fit but we fitted. It was fun. There's a rainbow and I'm such a mess. We are about to leave and find some breakfast.
Still look.
We're gonna, yeah.
Our plan was always Macca's, but we're still looking.
We're gonna go find the breakfast and yeah.
When you turn on, we just stare.